Hello, friends. Today we will see something that is very strange. Let me show you something that is the dirty string. The strings coming like this. So I'll show you in more detail and in a more better way. If we will check this is something inside this one. See, there's a small, then medium, then large, and then extra large and extra large, something like this. Okay, so these are the dirty string, and it was very unfortunate that I'm just fighting with this one and to try to figure out that what is the solution for this one. So what I did is I do something like this one to you know fix this. Let me show you. I have to split dot to string and then split it with split with this, and then I got dot it's just make the string, and then we have to use split. When we will use split, it will, oh sorry man, still it is not dot to string. One moment, let me check it out. Dot to string. We are converting this to string. One moment. Oh sorry, this is coming like this one. One moment. It was like this. Dot to string. It's already string. Okay, we will split, sorry, split, and then we will write here single quotes, and here we get the arrays, and we can clearly see the values, small, medium, and large, and extra large. Okay, so what we need to do now, so we need to check that we need only these values: small, medium, and then we have to get large. What did is I use for each and function value not closed, console not log values. Sorry, is values or value. Now we are getting exactly what we need. Okay, so we will use some, there's a default method that mostly we use to skip the brackets. We need to skip the brackets, we need to skip the commas, and we need to skip the closing bracket. So what we will do, we will use something like value, array. What we need to exclude, we write first what we need to exclude. We need to exclude this one, we need to exclude comma, we need to exclude starting bracket, starting point. So these are we need to includes. So man, this is pretty strange that sometime, because when we writing this, it makes like this. So what we will do, we will use value, and when we will check this one, it will tell us that when I'll use this, it will give us true false. For example, if starting we found it, it returns true. Then we check the other value, a small, it is false. Then it is true with the comma, because we split already. With this one, it will return comma. Comma will be a true, and then false with the next value. How we will get retrieve the value, by the way? So we will now retrieve the values in a proper array, so that we can get rid of this dirty string that we are watching over here. Okay, so this is actually coming from the database, and that was very strange that it is returning with the single double quotes. So what I did is I created another array. Let me show you. I'll create a simple array, const. let uh, any name, for example vals, and vals dot push if condition meets. If if the condition meet, then what we will do, we will push the value into the array, and basically this will only check for the true. If returned, if it will be true, we need to, you know, when it will be true we make it false, because we are getting the value that is not matching with the with these. So when it will match inside this value, for example if there is a starting bracket, static bracket is coming, then in the start when bracket is coming it will be true, but we do not push into the array that true. Okay, we need to push the value that is return false. So what we will do, we will invert this one, we will not true, then we will push into the array. So let me show you the in example that how it will be like this. Console.log vals. Okay, so it will return us in array. See, it is a quite nicer way it is coming up in without these single quotes and double quotes string. So this is what we can how this is how we can deal with the dirty strings. So this is a manual method. Definitely there are some other methods you can try, but this was a very handy to, we have to create this function as a helper and we can utilize this to continue with this one. So I need in as if I need in a comma separated, so I what I will do is I will dot join and I will write comma, and then it will be coming in the comma. So this is for somewhere we need to make the items as selected, and we need to send the as array, or sometimes we need in a string, so we can get in both ways. So that was a specific tutorial. So what we use in, we use split function, we use var each function, we use this is very handy function, and that is called include. So we can, this is work same like in array in PHP. And if not in, for example there's a in Python there's not in something like, okay, so this function is works like includes, works like that way. So join, and join will be just split your array into string like this one. So you can see that over here. Okay, that's all. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and if you would like, if you suggest anything, you please suggest in the comment section, so I will create a video on that. Thank you.